I'm trying out new launches so that you guys don't have to. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to try out some new launches today. These products are so viral that I was influenced to buy these products. This is gonna be a haul and I randomly picked a few things here and there. Some are fairly a new launch and some are like a little older but they are new to me. So those products were viral at those times. Sort of give you first impressions today, but in some time I'm going to test these products out like in hard situations, and I'm going to give you my honest review later on. So you guys wait for some time. I'm going to give you a review, and then probably if you guys like it, then you can go ahead and purchase it. Without wasting more time, let's quickly get into the video. I think I'm looking a little bare. That's because I don't have any blushes, or clearly I have few blushes in this haul. So I'm going to be trying it out as in how we go. These are the three boxes that we're going to open today. Got two products from Myntra. First product is going to be the Maybelline Teddy Tint, you guys, and this product I got it from Myntra because I got slightly discount. बाकी सब में MRP पे है, सिर्फ ये Myntra पे मुझे around 670 675 का मिल गया. This is the viral Maybelline lip and cheek. It doesn't come with any outer carton. It only comes with a plastic wrapper. So मैंने इसको फेंका नहीं है because this has all the details. यहाँ पे भी लिखा हुआ है. There is a sticker down there where they have mentioned the expiry date, the manufacturing date, and the shade name. So you guys know this product is going viral everywhere. Every influencer is talking about this. Instagram ho, YouTube ho. I was a little confused when it comes to shade ranges. On the website they did have a wheel sort of a thing wherein they have like segregated their shades according to the undertone, like warm undertone, cool undertone, a lighter skin tone, and the deeper skin tone. So I'm gonna pop that picture right here so that you guys can have a look, have a better understanding. So I wanted a shade which is knee high and skinny dip, but again I was not sure whether it's gonna suit me or not. I think I picked up a shade which suits the deeper skin tone, and it comes under the warm undertone wala wheel. So probably this quadrant is what I picked up, and this shade is it was a perfect match according to the wheel that they have given. So this is the product. The reason why I picked up this product is not because it's viral, because of the packaging. You guys already know I am someone who loves a good packaging product, be it skincare or makeup. So this packaging was everything to me. It is so quirky. More than quirky, it's very cute. It's like this zigzag pattern going on. Like, that's the reason I picked it up, and the shade is Keep It Cozy. It's definitely a little expensive. This is for 749 rupees, and it has a good 3 years of shelf life, and the quantity is 5 ml. Let me give you a shade. This shade is something that's gonna suit every skin tone, especially the deeper skin tone people. So let me give you a closer look. So when you first apply it, this is gonna be the first application. So you can see first application में ये काफी sheer है. After building up 2-3 layers के बाद it has a full pigmentation. This one is my first application. It's very sheer, full pigmentation इसमें नहीं मिलता, and this is like after 2-3 layers of application. So this is how it looks. Color coded, so जो बाहर है वही exactly अंदर भी है. I think they have done a very good job with the packaging. The color coding also is very good. It does have a very fruity, bubblegummy sort of a fragrance. Love this fragrance. So I don't mind that fragrance as well. Gonna like put this into test for definitely for some time. I'm gonna wear this in my work, I'm gonna wear this in my gym, and I'm gonna see how well it survives the meal or how well the longevity is. Because काम पे मैंने लगाया तो काफी हद तक मेरे को लिपस्टिक समझ आ जाता है, because I'm wearing mask constantly, so I know whether it transfers on the mask, whether it's comfortable or not. I'm going to be definitely sipping water and have meals and everything. So that way I can very well test out this lipstick and will let you guys know how this one works. So stay tuned for that review, definitely coming up. So that's my first pick, and I'm really happy with the shade that I've chosen. I think ये shade मुझे काफी अच्छे से suit हो जाएगा. And second pick is gonna be from Myntra again, which is the very viral L'Oreal lipstick. So इसको launch हुए काफी time हो गया. I always wanted to get it. I was not sure whether इतना महंगा liquid lipstick लेना was wiser or not. L'Oreal ki lipsticks are usually a little expensive. When a product gets so viral, I sort of wait, because mostly they are like paid commercials, paid promotions going on. So I kind of wait for some time. Even after some time, if someone is still raving, that's when I go and pick it up. So as a consumer, you can get carried away with every launch. For example, this launch, I got it only because of the packaging. I was picking up the shade. I was not happy with the swatches. Many dusky skin beauty reviewing these lipsticks and were showing the swatches. I felt none of the shades were actually suiting them. I think then they released few more new shades. I think this shade in particular is a new launch. I'm not sure, but this is, I'm gonna like just show you the uh, shade range that they have. I'm gonna pop it on the screen. So most of the shades did not like felt like buying it. I felt either the shades were too bright or too neon, like they had a neon tinge to it. Problem is there with Maybelline also. So when it comes to Maybelline Superstay ink or the vinyl ink or this shade range, all of these have the same color family, as in like where they have shades, either it's too bright, like they have that neon tinge to it, or the shades are like too bold out there. So they don't have a exact nude shade which would suit a dusky skin complexion. I'm not sure whether you guys are able to understand what I'm trying to say, but Maybelline Superstay ink, maybe मुझे वही problem हुआ था, I couldn't choose a shade, and I ended up buying a shade which was like Pioneer, which was a red shade. Again, the same thing happened with this shade range also. Like either the Le Rouge Paris was a shade which I really loved, but that was a straight up red shade. I'm not gonna end up using a red shade so often. So this is the shade Lazy Sunday. This is how the outer packaging looks like. By the way, this is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Resistant Liquid Lipstick something something. I'm gonna pop the entire name down here. This again has a 3 year of shelf life, so it's good. It is 5 ml quantity. I got a fairly new product. The MRP is 999. It's for 1,000 rupees, but on Myntra I got it for 679 rupees. Like I'm super happy कि Nykaa पे और Amazon पे मुझे सेल इतना अच्छा दिखा नहीं. So let me give a swatch. This is the shade Lazy Sunday, and this is what I'm wearing on my lips today. This is the first time I'm wearing this shade, so I obviously am not gonna give you a complete review based on today's application. लगाए हुए मुझे hardly half an hour to 45 minutes हुआ है. Let me give you a swatch. This is a one swipe pigmentation, you guys. This one swipe is enough to cover up your pigmentation no matter what kind of skin tone you are, be it dusky, be it completely pigmented lips. In one swipe, it's gonna cover your entire lip pigmentation for sure. I do have a pigmented lips, and I do belong to a dusky skin category. I don't think I can pull this shade for every day of a work wear. I'm a little sad because this is an expensive liquid lipstick. I wish I had picked up another shade, but again, I was not sure which shade would suit me, so this was a safer option, or else I would have picked up Le Rouge Paris, and then like again I wouldn't have used. You guys let me know how this shade looking on me, and I'm not gonna deny that this is very comfortable. Honestly, it's too soon to say, but I don't feel anything on my lips. I don't even feel कि मैंने liquid lipstick लगाया है, to be honest. It feels like as if I have applied some creamy matte lipsticks, or even some like heavy duty lip sleeping mask. That's how I'm feeling. You know, when you're wearing a lip sleeping mask, you know something is sitting on your lips, but that's gonna give you a moisturizing effect. So something like that I'm feeling. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. This shade I feel is a cool tone brown shade with hint of mauve undertone. That's what I think. It does have a little bit of maroon also into it. So I feel, yeah, it could be a maroon brown shade. Still leaning towards a nude category. I mean, someone who is deeper than me can rock this shade as their daily nude, but for me, it's not gonna work as a nude. It does have a little bit of berry and mauves into it, so it's a very unique shade, very nice shade, very comfortable. It does not require a lip liner. I have not applied any lip liner today. It is transfer proof. Let me show you. So you guys can see it is definitely transfer proof. I have been sipping my Kashmiri kawa into it. So you guys can see it's not transferring at all. So there is no transfer in my cup as well. So there is absolutely no transfer. I really have an itch to go and buy a new shade in this. I have a lot of lipstick. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा खुजली हो रही है एक दूसरा shade लेने का, which I can like probably wear every day. So this is my second pick. I really love the formulation of this lipstick. So that's both the things that I got from Myntra. So guys, a backstory. I think I need to justify a bit before I go move on to my next unbox. You guys watched Emily in Paris. I love that show, not because of the story or anything. Like Abhishek, they have come up with fourth season if I'm not wrong, and I have watched their 5 episodes that they have released till now, and I love that show for few reasons. Don't judge me because obviously the show is not that great, the storyline is not that great, but that girl moving from US and Chicago to Paris, and the French culture, the French language, the outfits that she wears, the lifestyle that they have, it's all bougie and high class, how to say, but that kind of gives you a good vibe. It totally cannot relate to your life no matter what. And I don't know why I'm explaining so much. That's kind of like a modern fairy tales, how we used to watch fairy tales when we were growing up. Nothing true in that, but we still used to watch that and we used to like it. Similarly, I get that kind of a feeling when I watch Emily in Paris. So because I like that Emily in Paris show, I kind of went ahead and bought Tint Cosmetics ke kuch products. So Tint Cosmetics, if you guys don't know, it's an Indian owned brand, and I've never tried any products from Tint Cosmetics till now, and they have collaborated with Emily in Paris. They have released few products in this collaboration, this line. So I went ahead and picked up 3 products, absolutely not on offer. No, I don't do such things, but कभी-कभी मुझे कुछ हो जाता है, and then मैं पता नहीं add to cart, shopping spree में रहती हूँ, and then I end up buying a lot of things. Sometimes ऐसा दौरा मुझे पड़ता है, and I think I'm in that दौरा right now. Here is the bill for the 3 products that I've gotten. So these are the 3 products that I got, and you guys, the packaging is so quirky. You can see Emily in Paris written all over. So let's go one by one. Let's talk about the lip and cheek tint. We clearly don't need any lip and cheek tint anymore. I think the market is saturated with so many lip and cheek tints. Are just launching left and right, and still as a consumer we are just buying left and right, which is so wrong. So this is the Tint Cosmetics Emily in Paris lip and cheek tint. The MRP is 550 rupees for 5 ml. The shelf life is only for 2 years. That's what they have said. So this is the outer packaging. The product packaging is so beautiful. So this is the outer packaging and this is the inner packaging. So this is a glass plastic bottle and nothing is written on this. It's just written Emily in Paris. Yeah, it's just written Emily in Paris, and here it's written Tint Cosmetics. So this is the product. I think they had only one shade in the collection, I feel. So this is the product, and let's get to the swatching. Okay, this is like a water, you guys. Do you guys see? There is no full pigmentation. There is just like a water. And I'm just gonna start layering. Okay, it doesn't give you a full opaque pigmentation. Even after layering, you guys can see here, even after layering, it's still looking like a what. I don't have anything like this. Even the Etude House ka jo tint I showed you, the cheek and lip and the cheek tint, it did have pigmentation. It was like water, but it did have pigmentation, 1 spike pigmentation. But this, on the other hand, the pigmentation is very less, and that sort of like really intrigued me because I'm not a fan of supremely pigmented blushes in general. I don't know why I'm justifying for things that I bought from my own money. Let's try to blend this out. Okay, मैं इतना देर से बात कर रही हूँ, but still it's not patchy whatsoever. Oh my god, the formulation just makes me so excited. You know what, guys? Let's try this out. As such, I don't have any blush on my cheeks, so and yeah, I'm just gonna put lot of quantity and let's blend it out with the fingers. Oh, oh, I think I like it. I'm just gonna build the pigmentation a bit because I feel it's very sheer pigmentation, and the products that are not that pigmented, that means you're gonna end up using a lot of quantity, and that means you're gonna end up finishing the product as well. So that way, I really like products that are not that pigmented. Oh my god, guys, do you see? It's giving me a wet look. Guys, I don't own anything like this, and I think I love the formula. I mean, मुझे अभी भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने वाटर लगाया है. I need to see कितना टाइम लगता है इसको सेटल होने में. Also, I don't have any foundation or base product. मैंने ये एरिया में कुछ भी नहीं यूज किया है आज. I've just used a little bit of concealer under my eyelids and around my mouth, and I've set that with the powder. But overall, on my face, on my cheeks, I've not used anything. So I'm able to stop myself. I'm just layering it. Oh my god. I've not used anything like that, you guys. It's so beautiful. Guys, first impression, I am already in love with this product. It is so good. I'm soon to say, but I'm already loving this product, and I think I can get a maximum use of it because of its sheer pigmentation. Since it's not pigmented, I don't know how it's gonna look on my lips, but I'm definitely gonna put this into test on my lips as well, and probably I'll see how well it works. I'm very happy with the first product that I got from Tint Cosmetics, and you guys can see इसमें हाथ में इसने strong tint छोड़ा है, which is not transferring. So I don't know whether you need to set this with a powder blush, or like you guys can just go out and about, because I'm not gonna set, because the way I want to use this product is I like this water glow that it's giving me. So I probably am gonna step out just like that without setting this with a powder blush. But yeah, I don't know how long this is gonna last. Second product is the matte lipstick. This is again the Emily in Paris matte lipstick. It is 4 ml and it have two shades, I think, in the matte lipstick. So this is the product. How beautiful and how quirky it is. Like Eiffel Tower, Emily in Paris, sab bana hua hai. I really like the packaging. It's pink in color. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I am for the packaging, you guys. I am for the packaging. This is the liquid lipstick. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I really like it. The shade is Bon Bon. As I said, they had two shades to choose from, and I think I did a bummer. I chose a lighter shade, but I'm gonna give a benefit of doubt because I'm tan right now. Probably this shade is not gonna suit now, but maybe in future this shade will suit me. Even if it doesn't, I like the shade. It's a little out of my comfort zone, so I can definitely very nicely pull this shade with a lip liner. So let me give a swatch. Bon Bon shade swatch here. This is a pink mauve lipstick with little bit of cool undertone. It lacks the warmth. Probably that's why it's not a good match for dusky people. This is the shade. The outer color coding is perfect. It's a mauve lipstick with pink undertone, cool tone pink basically, and it's gonna suit anyone from fair to medium skin tone very beautifully. It's gonna be a ML baby shade sort of a thing. I think it's very close to Meher as well. I'm not sure. A long time back I've used Meher, and I don't own Meher right now because it doesn't suit me. But this I can pull definitely nicely with a lip liner. Also, stay tuned. I'm gonna make a separate video dedicated to these lipsticks. So that's that. Next product from the Tint Cosmetics is the hydrating lip gloss. Again, the packaging is so nice and quirky. The packaging. Oh my god, they have nailed up with the packaging, you guys. This is the hydrating lip gloss, Tint Cosmetics Emily in Paris collection. And this is, again, they had two shades, if I'm not wrong. And this is in the shade Rosy Mocha. I don't own much of lip glosses. I really wanted to try out colored lip glosses. I only own like sheer lip gloss. This is a mauve lip gloss that's gonna suit dusky skin people very nicely. It's not super pigmented, but pigmentation nahi hai. Okay, I hope you guys can see. It does have a bubblegummy fragrance, but nothing that's gonna be very annoying. This is the I hope the pigmentation shows up on my lips. Otherwise, I can definitely wear it with a lip liner. That's all that I got from Tint Cosmetics. I think this video is going to be super long, so I'm going to divide this video into two parts. The first video, I'm going to cover the Maybelline Tint Cosmetics and the L'Oreal liquid lipsticks, and in the second video, I'm just going to cover all the Blur products that I've got from Blur India Cosmetics. So I think I overall enjoyed whatever I've gotten, and as promised, I'm gonna show the lip swatches soon. And I hope you guys like this haul slash first impression sort of video, and if you found it helpful, please be a part of this family and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna link all the product details that I've gotten from in the description box below. Bye.